In this video, I'll be showing you how to control your music playback with your Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro. Now, there's two things that you can do. So say for example, you currently have music playing on your watch itself and it's not from your phone. You can be able to use these buttons to be able to control the playback of your songs. However, if you're listening to, say for example, something from your phone, so let's say you have a song playing on your phone and your watch detects that it is playing music from your phone, then you should be able to use these buttons to be able to control the playback. Now you can see here it's saying where the song is coming from. So you can use this button to move forward, you can use this button to move back, and you can even pause and resume your music. So you can be able to use that whenever you're connected to your phone. If you're connected to your watch, if you're listening from your watch, it's the same buttons. But in this case, you can also choose to broadcast to another connected device, such as a speaker or even your buds. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.